Hi there, my name is Noah, and today I'm going to unbox this matte white version of the Nutribullet Pro. I'm excited to talk to you about some of my favorite features, such as the durable extraction blades, the easy to clean, easy to use nature, and more. Let's dive in and talk about what's inside. So right off the bat, there's some manuals inside, as well as your cup with handle. I believe this is your 32 ounce, as well as then your lid. Here is that matte white base, all wrapped up nice. Portable cup with the stainless steel extractor blades already screwed on nice and tight. And the last piece in here, that quick start guide. So you can see some simple ingredients to get started and how to get started with it right off the bat, which I'm excited to show you now. Before we get into making the smoothie, I'd love to show you how it's gonna work. Now, these stainless steel blades are designed to create cyclonic action, creating a vortex to help the food circulate, giving you a nice even blend. Now, I'm just gonna add the ingredients right in because it really is that easy to use. It's one of my other favorite parts about it is that all you have to do is add your ingredients in, and it really is as simple as throw it in, screw on the lid, put it on your blender, twist, and you are good to go. With its 900 watt base, it's capable of blending even the most difficult of items. Frozen berries, even ice, in under 60 seconds or less. It's super easy to use, whether you want to use it with a to-go lid, just a simple cup ring, or even if you want to use my favorite, the cup ring with a handle, all you do is screw it on and you're ready to go. And once you're done enjoying your beverage, it's as simple as putting the cup rings or the cups in the dishwasher and hand washing that motorized base, and you're set. And that was the matte white version of the Nutribullet Pro. My name is Noah, and thanks for listening. If you want to learn more about this product or other similar products, feel free to click the link below and come talk to virtual store experts like me. Happy blending and enjoy.